Street Machine daily profiles a bold project where an ordinary sedan is reborn as a ruthless street racer through precision fabrication. The crew adds a lightweight chassis, aero tweaks, and a cutting-edge powertrain to prove creativity pairs with engineering. A late-night dyno session roars to life with fierce torque, while the car finally spits a controlled burnout. Viewers are invited to vote on tweaks and share ideas as the build evolves toward a true street legend. This episode proves the thrill comes from skill, collaboration, and the spark of tech turning wheels into dreams.